Linking your bank account to Qualtrics can streamline your financial transactions and data management. Follow these steps to successfully connect your account. Step 1. Log into your Qualtrics account. Start by visiting the Qualtrics website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access financial settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the payment methods or billing section. This area allows you to manage how you handle payments and financial transactions within Qualtrics. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new bank account. You will need to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Qualtrics, enhancing your experience with the platform. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Qualtrics support for assistance.